This is the second one. Addition reactions. Can you see? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Addition reaction means what? You have added. This thing you all done in school. Okay. Now, classification. I think I'm teaching a little extra to you, no? Too much is not good, no? What do you feel? This definition is enough, or should I discuss little more? Should I stop here or should I discuss a little further?
So enough.
Enough, na? But in this case, you don't want dil mange more. Why? Why it is enough? जो सीखना है पूरा सीखो. Otherwise, in the entrance exam, if a question comes, then you will say, "Sir did not teach us." Generally, after an exam, when you cannot answer any question, then you first you won't blame your teacher in front of your parents. What happened? Where from the sound is coming? See, suppose from your classroom, a team is being made. Vacancies are there. You wish to be a part of it. In that case, you have to request your teacher, "Miss, you please take me also." This is electrophilic addition. Okay? Now, if it is in your house, if someone does not take you, you will forcefully enter. Because it is your house, you have every right to be part of it. This one. Okay? So, electrophilic addition reaction means which are the addition reaction which is initiated by electrophile. Oh, sorry, I will write here one because A, B, this is 2. So it is this small thing you should know. Electrophilic addition. Addition reactions which are initiated by, sorry, wrong spelling. By electrophiles are called electrophilic addition. See, now you have become very mature. You're supposed to understand. There are many things which you know, I also don't know. Okay, see here. I'll add now here. I'm not writing anything. It can be anywhere. Example is, suppose I have added here bromine. See here. It is being added. Bromine is a neutral molecule. Please remember, dear. Bromine first breaks down to give you Br plus and Br minus. In this case, see, Br plus does not have electron. The person who does not have, he doesn't have any, doesn't feel shy to get it from others. You see here, one electron is here and other electron is here. So bromine back. So this carbon field, it will set. It gives it. देखो अभी क्या हो गया? See, this electron goes to bromine, and that binds with this electron. See, now a new bond has been formed. Now what has happened here? This electron is lost. So no, this Br minus is extra electron. It comes here. So who has initiated it? It's being initiated by Br. Okay, so this is an example of electrophilic addition reaction. Sorry. Now, Electrophilic addition reaction. See, this is also a double bond. Okay? Do that if I add hydrogen cyanide. I get this. This is called cyanohydrate. This is the one. Because this bond is highly polar, so it is an acid. It breaks down to give H plus and Cl minus. This is called hydrogen cyanide. Look now what happens. Low. In this case, This is the one which attacks. Okay. So now, see, O minus. Now, O minus takes this H plus. These are not at all difficult. These are very, very easy. Common sense. Common sense. Then after finishing, why you have to tell ho gaya, ho gaya? Then free radical addition. Okay. The addition occurs by the free radical intermediates to the atoms bonded by pi bonds are called free radical addition. So, okay, see here. This example I given you very beginning. If I take an alkene and pass hydrogen gas through that in presence of nickel, see now. Oh, how can I write here? H. Oh. Now what happens? See, hydrogen is a small molecule. It's very difficult to break. So when you do it in presence of nickel and heat, see here, this hydrogen undergoes homolytic cleavage. And you get now hydrogen atom or hydrogen free radical. Then what happens? This also undergoes a shown you also that. It gives you the bond breaks. See here, you have this unpaired. And what do you have now here? देखो तो here. So they will join. Sorry. So look at this. This is free radical addition reactions. You should know. You should science. You should understand. Nah, it's not a thing to by heart. Then elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. So by the name elimination itself, we know that something is lost. Or is removed. And elimination reaction is the one that involves the loss of a small molecule from the original molecule to form an unsaturated or a cyclic molecule. But very interesting, in your book, this is not being given. Your book is so good, nah? Because it's giving so less, is it not? Should it? It is written so less. It's good for you only, nah? Hello. What is your opinion? Elimination can be classified as, okay, alpha elimination reactions. Okay, see here. First, I'll show you. See this. Do you know the name? See, I have taken 7 or 8 classes only on naming of molecule. What is the name of this molecule? Who is going to tell? What?
Chloroform.
Yes, it is chloroform, but I want IPC name. What is the IPC name? Is it very difficult?
So trichloromethane.
Yes, it's trichloromethane. Now see here. In this molecule, I have written H and Cl together. Okay. So if I join H and Cl, then I guess HCl. HCl means, if I write HCl together like this, then I will call it hydrochloric acid. So it is an acid. If I employ a base, then what is going to happen? See here. Don't get scared. These are all common sense. See here. Acid and base will react. What is going to happen? See, the OH minus is going to, actually acid and base reacts to give us what? What does it give?
Salt and water.
Correct. Good. Say it is from water. Now this H you will see is OH minus. So it will go out as H plus. Here you have one electron and here you have one electron. So this hydrogen will leave the electron on carbon. Okay. See. And this one electron is here and one electron is here. We know chlorine is electronegative. So when it goes, it will also take the electron of carbon. So what do you get here? See, K plus combined with Cl minus. You will get KCl. And OH and H, it will give me H2O. This is called alpha elimination. This one I have already done with you. Already done with you. Okay. This is called dichlorocarbene. Okay. So this is for your entrance exam. So if you don't want to appear entrance exam, don't write. Naji, are you going to appear entrance exam? Or you don't want to go to this Jamila?
Yeah.
You want to appear?
So I want to.
Achha, then after that, what you will do? After appearing entrance exam, what you want to study further? After elimination direction, what happens? Both the atoms goes from the same carbon. Okay. Both the atoms go from same carbon atom. Yeah, I'm going to draw this. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll go for next. So next will be what? Beta elimination reactions. See here. In beta elimination reaction, this is H. See here. In this case, what happens? Bromine goes from, because you know you should number here 1 and this is 2. Bromine will go from the first carbon, hydrogen will go from the second carbon. So if this is alpha, then this is beta. So if I treat it with potassium hydroxide here, okay, what will happen now here? So let me write it like this. This goes out HBr. So if this goes out, what you are going to get? Valency of carbon is always 4. One lost and one lost, immediately they will combine to give you what? See here. ABr and H2. So you have taken here bromoethane, and here you get here ethane. Okay. Now, suppose I have taken this. Since this is alpha, this is beta. So from there, if a molecule of water goes out, what will happen? So how to remove water? Suppose water fell on your dining table. Then what do you do? Do you put the water on the dining table outside this sun? Huh? If water
So we
spills
wipe
on the
it with a
dining
cloth.
table, what do you do?
So wipe it with a cloth
Why do you wipe it with a cloth?
because the cloth will absorb the water.
Correct. So I require something to absorb it. But here I cannot put cloth. So I have to put a chemical which absorbs water. I put here concentrated esters of water. And I have to, if I heat it, then immediately absorb. You get this. So this is also an example of elimination direction. Beta elimination direction. So what do you find now here? Right here. Beta elimination reaction. Okay. Sometimes is also known as 1, 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay. Always form unsaturated molecule. Okay. So whenever people say elimination reaction, people feel that you get only unsaturated molecule. No, you can get many other things. See here. CH2Br. CH2. CH2Br. This is called 1, 3 dibromo. This is alpha. This is beta. This is gamma. 1, 2, and 3. This one, if I add zinc dust and heat it, what will happen? It will go out. When it goes out, valence of the carbon reduces by 1. So in that case, to maintain valency, they will join with each other. What you are going to get? See, get here ZnBr2. What is this? Cyclo. See now, if you go for gamma and delta elimination reaction, in that case, you do not get any compound with double bond. You get cyclic compound. This you should know. So if you go by your book, you will only learn that elimination reaction gives us unsaturated compound or compound containing double bond. So that will be half truth. So I don't want my students should learn half truth. See, suppose it is a plate. Okay. In plate, this is you are being given rice, and in the bowl, I don't know what type of food you like. You are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Okay, so it is vegetarian. So this is pieces of your meat, mutton or chicken or something like that. Is there? I'm very bad in drawing. This is rice. This is your mutton or chicken. Then you eat it. When you eat rice, do you throw something from your mouth when you eat the rice, or you eat it completely? Hello.
Completely.
And when you take mutton and chicken, what do you do? That also you swallow.
No, sir.
What do you do?
Throw the bones.
Yes. That is, but you put it inside your mouth first. Okay, then the unnecessary thing which you don't, you take it out. Okay. So in this case, this is an example I have given you for addition reaction. In this case, part of it we take, and later on which you do not want, then we throw for one more. Okay, then this is a very important reaction which is missing in your textbook. The fourth one is called addition elimination. That is, in this case, initially addition takes place. Then after that, some molecule is being again expelled from that one to make the compound stable. See, we start with unsaturated molecule. Again, we end up with unsaturated molecule. But when you go for addition, the only addition reaction, an unsaturated molecules gives us a saturated molecule. Okay, now see, I have taken here.
জলের বোতল ভুলে এসে গেছে যে অঙ্কটা জলের বোতল জিমে ভুলে এসে গেছে চটিও ভুলে এসে গেছে তো ধোয়ানোর পরে মাথায়
আরেকটা বোতল তো আমার ধোয়া না কালকে পেয়ে যাবি না না পেয়ে যাবি
Okay, this is an aldehyde. And this is a amine. See, first it adds. So what you will get now here? CH3, one of the hydrogen will go here. You get here. NH. H. Sorry. This hydrogen goes here. Equivalence of carbon is 4 and nitrogen is 3. You get this. Okay. It forms this one. But this is not found to be stable. Just like putting the whole your mutton or chicken inside your mouth with your bone, you feel uncomfortable. Then after that, what happens? See, this goes out. See, this is an unsaturated molecule. You started with an unsaturated molecule, end up with an unsaturated. We call this to be IMI. So it is an unsaturated molecule. And this is the addition product. Okay. This is an unsaturated molecule. This is a saturated product. No double bond. Okay. So this is called addition. You'll come, this example you come across in class 12. So if you do not know, then you have to buy heart. Rearrangement reactions. Okay. So here in this group, so most of you are girls only. See, the way, suppose you have to attend any reception. The way you comb or maintain your hair at home. So when you go for reception, do you follow the same style?
Hairstyle is same. Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
You redo your hairstyle, na?
Yes, sir.
But if two photographs are taken, will you look similar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You change your hairstyle. After that, when two photographs are being taken, will it look similar?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes. I guess. Yes, sir.
So it will not be same. So there are some molecules, they rearrange the atoms, okay, and take another shape. That is called rearrangement reaction.
Performance basically. देखता हूँ भाई आपको तो मैं सोचा जिम चला जाता हूँ एंड प्लस मेरे के काम पे कि अच्छा चल मेरा भी मीटिंग भी है सेट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट वीकेंड पे बात करते हैं मोमो जिमें नीचे एक जन मानुष बाबा ही तो नजर के शिंगारा आंसर If you go from here, will come here, the hydrogen will go there. This metal has gone here.
Finish